Hello everyone, today I will explain how to craft items in Escape from Duckov. First, approach the workbench or the first available crafting station basically, and make sure you press craft. Then, once there, you can select certain tabs to filter the crafting recipes. Select the crafting recipe you wish to complete and select craft. As you can see, it was completed instantly, and I now have some a butcher's knife in my inventory. Let's compare it. It does a bit more damage than the police baton I got from the tutorial. And well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.